Hello student, good morning. I am Enamul Haq, welcoming you to my session. Today I shall discuss about industrial revolution. It's a very important topic for the student of intermediate second year and honors third year. Today from this topic we will describe, or we can able to define industrial revolution, 4 stages of industrial revolution, impact of industrial revolution, and why industrial revolution took place in England first. At first I would like to define revolution. What is revolution? Revolution is a sudden or radical change of anything. There are various types of revolution, such as industrial revolution, agricultural revolution, political revolution, and so many kinds of revolution. Today I shall discuss about the industrial revolution that took place in England first at the end of 18th century. What is industrial revolution? Before the industrial revolution, people of England and all over the world made their daily necessaries in their home cottages, but industrial revolution changed their lifestyle, changed their economy. The new machinery system introduced, new invention made by different scientists, and the production started to grow more and more, and the radical change brought in the economy of England for the industrial revolution. There are 4 stages of industrial revolution. The first stage is from 1760 or 70s decade. You know, James Watt, the Scottish scientist, invented steam engine, steam ship. The steam engine, the invention of James Watt, brought the radical change in the socio-economic condition of the people of England. Before that invention, the people made their daily necessaries in their cottages, but after the invention of steam ship or steam engine, huge number of production, different products started to produce in plenty in England. In first stage, steam engine, then several industrial equipment invented in this time. Suppose steam ship, steam engine, water frame, spinning, spinning jenny, etc. This invention changed the economic system of England. The agrarian society transmitted to industrial society for the invention of that types of machineries. Then second stage of industrial revolution (1870 or 80s decade), 100 years later. At that time, Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone. Then F.B. Morse invented telegraph. These two inventions helped the people to communicate in long distance with the people of long distance. So, after the invention of telephone and telegraph and electric motor, electric motor changed the lifestyle of the people of England. At first, the people use steam engine to extract water from coal mine, because the mine worker when extract coal from the mine, the water come from different places and deposited there. Then the people of that time use the steam engine to extract water from mine. After the invention of steam engine, not only the locomotive but also steamship, steamboat, etc. was run with steam engine. Columbus discovered America in 1492. Vasco da Gama came to Indian subcontinent in 1498. They used the sailing boat or rowing boat. When the wind blows from opposite direction, they had to anchor their ship, and Columbus took a long time to go to America. Once upon a time, he became depressed that he thought that he has lost the way. It took a long time, but after the invention of steam engine, the people can communicate with other countries easily and carry the goods with steamship. Then electric motor bring the radical change in the life of the people. This was the second stage of industrial revolution. Then third stage, what was happened in third stage of industrial revolution? At that time, Again, 100 years later, the computer invented at that time, you know, Charles Babbage invented computer. This invention also brought the radical change, sudden change in human life. And the fourth stage is the present condition, present situation. This is, we are now in the fourth stage of industrialization. You know, although coronavirus pandemic already make our life difficult. Once the government of Bangladesh declared lockdown in some places, the officials could not go to their office, but they did their official work sitting in their house. But how? With the computer they can do their official work sitting in their house. This is the fourth stage, industrialization. This stage is also called digital industrialization. This is called digital industrialization. Everything has become digital. We can know any information through the internet, a mobile, computer, etc. So this is the fourth stage of industrial revolution. I have already discussed about the invention of industrial revolution, such as steam engine, spinning jenny, water frame, computer, etc. Now I shall discuss about the impact of industrial revolution. Impact of industrial revolution. There are positive and negative impact. At first, I would like to discuss about the positive impact. The production, the huge production made at that time, the textile industry, at that time the textile industry was built up, and the people before the industrialization, the people made a sari. To make a sari, he had to take more than 1 week. But after the invention of spinning jenny or textile mill, huge meters of clothes are made within few hours. This is the positive impact of industrialization. After the industrial revolution, man can communicate with other people in different way, in water way, land way. After the invention of aeroplane, the Wright brothers invented aeroplane in 1909. This is one of the gift of science for the industrialization. The industrialization connected the world together, but there are some negative impact. At first, environmental pollution. Environmental pollution. Global warming, you know that global warming is the main problem nowadays. Some scientists or environmentalists assume that after 50 years later, the southern part of Bangladesh and so deltic country will go underwater 15 years later. This is a bad impact of industrialization. The global warming is being made for industrial pollution, and the ice of South Pole and North Pole are melting day by day, and the sea river is soaring, and within the 100 years, most of the part of the world will go underwater. Then secondly, imperialism. Imperialism and colonialism. During the Industrial Revolution, the industrialized country required raw materials for their industry. So they went various countries all over the world to collect the raw materials for their industry. You know, the East India Company from Britain came to our subcontinent, and they ruled our subcontinent for the 190 years. They compelled our farmer to cultivate the indigo. Indigo was used as a raw materials of their textile industry. So the farmer of our country compelled to cultivate the indigo. If they disagreed to cultivate indigo, they were beaten, or they were not given the government support to cultivate their food grains. So this was the bad impact of industrial revolution. Then industrial revolution created slum. Industrial revolution created or classify the people haves and have not. Suppose in our country, in Bangladesh, if you visit Dhaka, you can see that some people reside 10-story, 20-story or 30-story building in AC room, but beneath that building, there are a huge slum and nasty, unhygienic environment there. This is the classification of the society of the people. Some people live their life gorgeously, luxuriously, and some people lead their life miserably. This is the gift of Industrial Revolution. Now I shall discuss about why the Industrial Revolution took place in England first. Why the Industrial Revolution took place in England first? There are some reasons. At first, coal, huge supply of coal were there in England at that time. Skilled manpower, England, the people of England were very skilled. They were not only skilled, they were educated also. The British considered themselves the supreme nation of the world because they were educated, they were learned people, they were skilled people. So once upon a time, British dominate USA, United States of America. Now America is the supreme power of the world. But once America was dominated, or America was the colony of Britain. So the first industrial revolution took place in Britain. That is all about my today's session, Industrial Revolution. Thank you everybody. Thanks again, once again.